Hello everyone, I'm TPK, and today we're going to build this firewood shed together. We're using Douglas fir for this project. First, we cut all the beams to size. Then we assemble the base frame. Next, we build the roof structure. After that, we add the roof using wide Douglas fir boards. Now, let's build the side frames. And attach the side cladding. Then we mount the side frames onto the base. Add the back supports for stability. To install the roof, lay the whole structure down. It makes everything much easier. Then lift it up. Careful, it's heavy. Make sure you place it on a solid, stable foundation. A full build video and free plans are coming soon. Subscribe and follow along so we can build more together.